Welcome back to Benny's Custom Works, proudly supported by Valvoline and Sparesbox. Don't forget BCW5 on checkout. This weekend we're down here at Raleigh International Karting Raceway track thing. It kind of looks like a bit of a Chernobyl type of deal. It's definitely a little bit run down, but I think that's what gives this place its charm. Today we're going to be drifting both of these cars. Well, Adam will be drifting this and I'll be in the IS200. Going to be giving it a bit of a shakedown and having a heap of fun. The car's already filthy because the dirt road in here is not forgiving, but we're going to have plenty of fun. We're actually here for Jono's birthday. I don't know who Jono is yet, but we're going to meet him, no doubt, and his homies, so let's go and have some fun.
Beach Des Brew. Beach Des Brew. So it looks like old mate, one of the studs has fallen out and fatigued the rest to snap off.
We've had a few clutch issues today. Turns out the internet was right and the VE sleeves aren't the greatest. We've just decided to give it a bit of a clutch bleed. Unfortunately, I don't have the same amount of tools I do here as I do normally at the shop, so we've actually banged a quick hole through the tunnel and we're going to give it a bleed.
Hello, you
Well, we've had an awesome day or weekend actually down here at Raleigh International Kart Raceway Track event place thing. Massive thank you to the guys at RHG. This was Jono's birthday event and we were lucky enough to be invited along to it, not knowing him. So yeah, big props to him for letting us come. Thanks to Mario, who's behind the camera right now. Thanks to Ads, thanks to Richie, thanks to Buzz. All those guys have been helping me out this weekend. We've had a blast. Thanks to everyone. Thanks to these homies. Don't know who they are, but thanks to them as well. It's it's been a massive thing. Thanks as always to Valvoline for their support. We've beat on this thing all weekend. Oil pressure's been consistent, same as Adam's car. We're running Valvoline in both cars now, so massive thanks to them. Thanks to Sparesbox. Thanks to everyone for their support. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.